The flex fuel system is really neat and it's really important to a lot of people, but it's something that currently does not have a CARB certification. Do you think that that will ever have a CARB certification?
So we have essentially two main paths that we use for formally establishing compliance. And one of those, like you mentioned, or like we've been talking about, is the CARB EO. That means it's a product that they condone for sale and that they consider to be legal. The second one that we use for flex fuel products is what's referred to as the SEMA certification or SEMA emissions certification. And that's a program done through SEMA Garage. And so for flex fuel, we pursue it through the SEMA certification, which is 49 state legality. CARB does not currently have an aftermarket path for a flex fuel product. So they've got a really big binder for how to test and evaluate all sorts of different products, but they don't have a page for flex fuel. As it stands currently, if you were to go through their process, they would say, great, we need you to do that $500,000 testing that Billy was talking about earlier. Demonstrate, just like an OEM, that you have a reliable passing emissions product.